Exercise 6. Volume of a cube. What is the volume of a cube with a side length of 5? In College Board, some formulas will be given. One of these would be about the volume of a cuboid in general, which would be the product between the length, the width, and the height of that cuboid. Now, in case of a cube where each side is equal to another, we would get that both the length, the width, and the height of the cube would all be equal to each other. So volume, in that case, would have been x times x times x, which is also equal to x cubed. So in our own case, in exercise 6, if the length of each one of the cube's sides is equal to 6, that would be equal to 6 to the power of 3, which is all equal to 6 times 6 times 6, and that is, sorry, it shouldn't be 6. Probably I was thinking something else. It would have been 5 cubed, so 5 times 5 times 5, which is equal to 125. So the right answer for this exercise would have been D.